What's the meaning of bonne femme? Bonne femme. Bonne femme.
Bonne femme. Bonne femme. Bonne femme is a French culinary term that translates to good wife. It usually refers to a style of cooking that is simple, rustic and homely, often featuring readily available ingredients. A dish prepared à la bonne femme typically includes ingredients like potatoes, onions, carrots, mushrooms, and bacon, simmered in a white wine or cream sauce. The result is a delicious, comforting and hearty meal, perfect for cold weather or a cozy night in. The term has also been used in other contexts to describe women who are good wives, mothers, and homemakers.